So they said not now, we can't afford it now, and we all hoped that Series 5 would happen one day. But then...
4, 3, 2, 1, here we go!
And so we moved to Madeira, an island I was particularly looking forward to, as a couple of us had booked a full day of mountain biking, somewhere that I was really excited about riding. However, while I was consuming my athlete's breakfast of items commonly found in the buffet, the captain informed us that due to another storm coming in off the Atlantic, we would only be staying in Madeira until lunchtime. Fortunately, the others had booked out a 4x4 adventure for the day. After contacting the company, they were more than accommodating to pick us all up early and tailor the 4x4 to finish by lunchtime. And so, here we go, enjoying half a day of 4x4 adventure in a very rainy Madeira.
Alright, partner. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Chocolate starfish. Wanna keep on rolling, baby. Hands up, hands down. Back up, back up. Tell me what you gonna do now.
Right at the back.
Yeah, we'll film that at the back, you said.
Oh, they can have it at the back.
Go on then, do your filming.
On the restaurant, Mark.
You're
filming my video.
Hi guys!
So if you know it,
There you go, man.
you have a bit of cameras around here.
Right here, people in the house put their hands in the air. Cause if you don't care, then we don't care. 1, 2, 3 times.
You know, as I told you, we are about 260,000 people, but we are receiving a lot of incomers, you know, people from other sides of the world choosing other islands to stay over here for living.
Okay.
Yeah, because of the weather, and this is quite calm, peaceful.
Yes.
People are friendly, so it's becoming
Very popular.
yes.
The
A banana plantation. Bananas, yeah. We have probably the best banana in the world.
Okay.
I like bananas. Yeah, and we are proud of it. We are proud of it. We don't export them.
We got the game set, so don't complain yet. 24/7, never begging for a rain check. Old school soldiers blasting out the hot shit. That rock shit, and bounce in the mosh pit. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, rolling.
try to beat my records.
How many?
10.
10.
10?
I was about your age when I did that.
Oh, that's nice.
So this is
that.
the wine, yeah? Oh, that's good.
You know, we are Catholics.
Good,
We
yeah.
are Catholics here.
Yeah.
Our priests, they use this to bless the people. This is holy water. You know what's this?
Honey.
Honey,
Me.
look. Yeah.
Pure one, because we have a lot of bees around here. There's a lot of honey production. And then you buy one bowl of this, one small jar of this, lemon, orange juice. And you do your own recipe, like this. Okay, making the mixture.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I can guarantee one thing, you'll be so happy at the end of the bottle. Are you filming this?
Oh yeah. So I've got the recipe.
That is great.
I'm sorry.
You could take it to work and just say it's my energy drink.
It's a good way of doing like an energy drink though, isn't it?
Yeah.
The hoodie and stuff like that. So it's just pure
Emily, now.
rum. It's not coloured with anything.
No, it's just pure. That's 3. That's good. Yeah.
I can smell it.
Orange juice. I know, but it's not like drinking. It's not going to be like drinking orange juice, is
Okay,
it?
do you know why they did this kind of drink? You know?
No?
We had a dry law, okay?
Yeah.
No one was allowed to drink wine, whiskey, beer, okay? So they made this drink to these guys, you know, to turn around
drinking
the law
orange juice.
enforcement. Okay, if they do arrive over here, the police officers, what are you drinking? Juice, orange juice. This is orange juice. Okay, so
The dry law aranca.
sorry.
So you are not allowed alcohol for how long?
No, for 2 years above. Yeah. No one was allowed to drink alcohol.
That's bad.
Right now, yeah.
Make up for it.
Enjoy it.
Go for it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm new.
Oh wow.
Now we're talking. We're drinking what? Rum in the morning.
It's sweet.
It is.
Sweet? Ooh. Very strong.
Really?
That's nice, that.
Strong orange juice.
For young kids. Come on. Nah, it's all about
Where's it going from?
Who's there?
No, I do not dare.
Too strong for you?
Too strong for you. Pouring it right.
Is an offer.
Apparently.
Try it away.
Just down in one.
Ellie's going to fetch her camera, so she has to.
Oh,
I can't. I've got to just shot it.
No, don't do that. No.
no, I'm not going to drink it.
Okay.
Oh. Ready? Down in one. All the way down in one.
You ready?
Yeah, go. Don't taste, don't stop. Yeah, right.
What is your name?
Guy.
Johnny!
That is?
Ezekiel!
Oh my
That's it? Yeah? Is it too strong?
No, it's all right.
It's alright.
It's okay.
Smells like a pure vodka or...
What? Was that just pure rum?
Pure rum.
Pure rum.
Yeah, but you drink rum normally.
Have they not gone back out again now?
Oh, I'll get your head up.
Go on, girls.
It's quite nice up there.
Oh my god!
Lion! Big lion!
Oh my god!
Moist. A little bit. Need shampoo? Shampoo? Yeah.
I'm as dry as a bone.
Can you move? You're in the way.
Oh wow.
Go.
I'm near